Hello everyone, this is Marco for Moore Reviews, and I was connecting the unit to my computer, and I noticed that there seems to be something weird, or at least on the device manager. I can see this device here, Moore Audio DFU, and this one, it's kind of doubled here. I already tried clicking on update driver. It seems I have the latest one. Same here. So what I want to do is download the ASIO driver, see if that fixes. I haven't even noticed anything wrong yet. I haven't played the Moore through my computer, so I'm not sure. I need to plug the guitar and see. Anyway, I'm recording this because I'm gonna try this. Just download the ASIO driver and try it out. So let's see, ASIO. Let's see, display. USB audio driver. Let's do this. C drive. I thought ASIO driver was like a generic driver, not specific per device, but anyway, no need to restart the computer. And let's see. Yeah, it's solved. Cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe.